As you can see, so far for today, I'm at $112. I'm gonna be using the same strategies that I'm gonna be teaching inside this video today. So make sure you watch this video to the end so you don't miss anything important. And if you're new to my channel, I post everything CPA, affiliate marketing, max bounty, clickbank, and other make money online strategies. So subscribe to my channel right now and turn on post notifications if you're interested in that type of content. Now, without further ado, let's get straight into it, man. So basically what I do is I run max bounty offers or any affiliate offer and direct link campaigns over on Bing. Beauty about this method, you don't need an email list, you don't need a website, you don't need a sales funnel and all that crazy stuff. The only thing I recommend you use for getting results like this, which is not crazy actually, anybody can do this. Like, I've been doing this for a while, but I don't even run affiliate campaigns that much. But whenever I run the campaigns, it's easy for me to pump out, $100, $200 a day campaigns. As you can see so far, like I said, we have 112 and still got like 4 more hours today. So I might end up with a few more sales on this offer that I'm running right now. But yeah, like I said, all I do is set up direct link campaigns with Max Bounty and Bing ads. So I'm going to be showing y'all, for example, this Keto Fit Pro. This is an example offer that we're going to be using throughout the rest of this video. Basically showing y'all exactly what I do step by step. Now, this is a keto offer, it's in that weight loss stuff. A lot of you already know what this is. I'm not too familiar with the niche, but like I said, just for this video, it's an example. This offer pays out $84 per lead. Already approved for it. Didn't have to fill out a form to get accepted to promote this offer. Got an EPC of 36 cents. Now, I recommend promoting offers with 30 cents and above because those are just the ones that work the best. Anything under, for the most part, just always some bogus stuff. But yeah, man, just taking this offer for example, countries allow, United States allows all devices, and like I said, we already proved, and it allows search traffic, which is what I use, Bing ads, search traffic. So this is the landing page for the offer. I know y'all done seen a lot of these health offers look just like this, if not the same exact, where they basically just send them to a trial and upsell them and stuff like that. Now, if you want to find other offers, you can just go right next to the offer ID. You can go to health, diet if you wanted to, exactly, or if you want to just go broad and go to health. Make sure it's mobile optimized, because that's where a lot of traffic comes in today. My approved offers, just in case you don't want to fill out an application to get approved. And from here, I'll just probably leave this alone. You can pretty much uncheck everything except for search, because you don't want to promote something that's not allowed with Bing ads. Because like I said, I don't use a landing page, I don't use email list, funnel, or none of that stuff to get results like that. And what I like to do is immediately search it, sort it by EPC. I mean, these is like the highest converting offers. So something like this, Alpha Keto. So this is a keto offer too. It's based in Canada. They got CA at the end. Let's see. Whoa. The EPC on this is $1.22. So this is a very, very high converting offer. Actually the same, basically the same thing as this. It's just convert better, I guess, in the Canada country. So yeah, this is probably be an offer I would even run if I was doing the keto stuff. So you can see it converts on purchase. Upsell leads will be added manually every 2 weeks. So yeah, these keto offers, I'm guessing, is very, very hot right now. So what I like to do, with Bing ads, all you literally need is just some ad copy and some keywords you want to target. Just that simple. And like I said, if you got a tracking setup, I use ClickMagick. I will leave links in the description below this video. I'll use ClickMagick to track all my keywords. If you're not tracking what's working for you, then you just kind of throwing a lot of money down the drain. So definitely invest into a tracking tool. ClickMagick for me is $27 per month. So if you're interested in that, I will leave a link in the description. But just going back to what I said, I like to just kind of just reverse engineer and find what other affiliates is running. So we can do keto diet plan. Let's just see what ads come up, because you can see this offer is all about keto. So 30-day ketosis. Okay. So yeah, any ads that stick out to you, I definitely recommend, either writing it down on a notebook and pen, or, just creating like a Google Docs file of ads. So say for instance, I wanted to take this ad copy. I would take this like so, paste it in there. I'll take his text, and you can either run the same exact copy that they're using, or, just rotate. Take one ad headline here, take an ad text here, just kind of mix it all up so that way it's not the same exact as what this other affiliate is running. Another thing too, you can create your ad copy just looking at the sales page of the offer. You don't even really have to go and swipe another affiliate. So for example, if I want to do 30-day ketosis, so let me go back to my notes. 30-day ketosis. Let's see, the easiest way to burn fat. Easiest way to burn fat. You can either leave it like that. Let's see what else they got on here. Ooh, so I'm gonna go back on Bing real quick and see what other ads. You know it's an ad when you see the ad under it, because it's normally like the first 3 to 5 links is normally an ad. Now depending on the niche, you can see something like 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yeah, when it's like when you see 5 ads, you know the niche is popular, because normally it's be like 2 or 3. Even at the bottom, they got more ad copies you could take. Let's see. See, do they do any claims? How many pounds they gonna lose? Let's see. I don't see none right here. Okay, join thousands who are already losing up to 1 pound per day. Let's go back to Bing real quick. Another thing you can do to find more ads, you can go down all the way to the related searches. Open these up in a new tab so you can see other ads, because there's definitely people bidding on these keywords. Let's see. Keto beginner plan. So yeah, all you really need, like I said, because all you need is an ad copy and some keywords to target. So another thing I like to do, keywords, make a list of keywords I want to target. If I was setting up a Bing ad for this keto diet plan, I'll start from there, paste that in. You can go down, copy the related searches, go on to the bottom, copy these. Of course, you want to take out certain keywords that won't apply. Your offer, I don't like targeting offers that mention anything about free, because if I'm promoting an affiliate offer, I'm getting paid from it. So unless it's like a CPA offer from Max Bounty, I delete all these free keywords, free, easy, all that stuff gotta go. And I would even add that into my negative keyword list inside of Bing, so that way I'm not wasting money on free keyword or freebie seekers rather. But yeah, like I said, I like to make about 3 to 5 different ad copies. I got one complete right here. This is one I started on just using the sales page. Of course, you can add to it just by adding in these things. Burn fat faster than ever. So for example, let me show y'all. Burn fat, faster than ever, period. You can go back to the sales page. Burn fat for energy, not carbs. Fat for energy, not for carbs. And you can add in the last part where it says love the way you feel. Just like that, we got 2 ad copies. One we stole and one we completely created from scratch just by looking at the first part of the sales page. 30-day ketosis right here, the easiest way to burn fat. The easiest way to burn fat, and then we just add in these 3 bullet points that's already on the sales page. So when they get to the sales page after reading your ad copy that look just like this, you know, it's about relevancy. So when they get to the landing page, like, okay, it's the same message from the ad to the landing page, so I feel like I'm in the right place. That's just how customers think, and just putting yourself in their shoes. But yeah, very, very easy to set this stuff up. I got other videos on my channel how to take these exact ads and these exact keywords and import it into a Bing ads campaign. If you've been following my channel, you already know how to set it up. So just is almost like a done for you campaign in a way. Now, of course, I would put in more effort into, you know, the keywords and the ad copy and stuff like that. But this is very, very simple. You can look at this. The same keywords, you can go target the same keywords. You can set up the same ad copy that they're using. Matter of fact, let me just open up one more keyword. Keto beginner meal plan PDF. Let's see, even more ad copy. Some of the same people. I'm targeting those same keywords. So you can see they got, oh, it's only one ad for this keyword. Let me go back down. Oh, another thing you could do is look at the related searches as you typing in keto diet. It's keto diet plan, keto diet guide PDF, keto diet food list, keto diet recipes, keto diet pills, blah blah. So let's see. Is this a pill? Oh, it does. It is a pill. So let's see what ads come up. Lose up to 20 pounds in 2 weeks. Shark Tank #1. 2020 keto. Truth about keto pills. Blah blah blah. Like I said, you could copy all of these if you wanted to and use them yourself. Even more keywords. So every different keyword that you put in is going to be a different set of related searches that you can use to build up your keyword list. I recommend, you know, at least 10 keywords. You can go to 10 to 100, really don't matter. And a few different ad copies to rotate, because you never really know which ads is going to work until you test them. So steal some ads, create some ads, and you'll pretty much be good to go, man. I just wanted to show y'all a quick example on what I do to get results like this. Let me refresh the screen, see if I got another sale. Hope I did. All right, I didn't. I'm still at 112 for the day. Still got, 3.5 hours left to try to make a couple more sales. I really want to get to like $200 today since I upped my budgets on my campaigns. But I forgot to mention too, the keyword planner in Bing. You can go here, search for new keywords. All you gotta do is just type in one broad keyword, keto diet, get suggestions, and Bing will, of course, suggest you a bunch of different keywords. You can sort it by average monthly searches, competition, suggested bid. So if we do it by average monthly searches, keto diet group of keywords right here get over 100,000 searches, and suggested bid is $1.61. So you can open these up and see the exact details. So keto get 67,000 searches. The bid on that, the suggested bid is $1.40. So you can pretty much expect to pay anywhere from, I want to say, 60 to $1.50 per click on this. Now, if you're promoting a max bounty or a ClickBank offer, that really wouldn't hurt you because these offers convert at a high rate. And look at this offer right here, network EPC, $1.22. So if you're paying 50 to 80 cents per click, and you're getting $1.22 per click, you will make a lot of money on this, or a lot of profit on this offer. So I would probably run this if I was you. You don't have to fill out an application to get approved for the offer. It allows candidate traffic, allows search traffic, EPC of $1.22, and it's very, very easy to set up. I already got a couple of ad copies you can use right away, just targeting these keywords and these two little ad copies. Like I said, come up with a keyword list of 10 to 100, 3 to 5 different ad copies to test out, and set it up over on Bing. I don't know, I'm about to go over it in this video because I did that in almost every video I uploaded this week. So yeah, man, that's pretty much all I got for this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, leave a comment. I reply to everybody. Subscribe to my channel if you're new. I post videos like this almost every single day. And if you're interested in learning my exact secrets on how I set up these direct link campaigns, I can't give everything away in this video. I will leave a link in the description to check out my elite course. Right now, if you go to checkout at the time of making this video, it is, let me see, $73 because I'm releasing a big update to all of my courses, and the prices is almost doubling for all of my courses. So if you lock in on these courses right now, you can get them at the prices that they at. I promise you, after because May 1st I'm releasing all the updates to all my courses. So if you lock in at the time of making this video, you can get the updates 100% free. Because once I release the updates, the price is going up. The elite course is going to $173. My beginner's course is going to $50, and my YouTube course is going up to $100. So definitely lock in at these prices right now while it's still there. And it's pretty much what the members area look like. Here's the big ass training that I've been teaching inside this video. Yeah, man, that's all I got for this video. I will see y'all in the next.